Mocha Love, or what you can call a South African version of TLC. With the show called Giant of the City, took inspiration from Seven Little Johnsons and X-Repo that took inspiration from Repo Man. With Riyadh Sotela took inspiration from This Is Life Live. The show is known for one thing, and that is drama. From the beginning, the channel has been accused of taking advantage of black people's struggle.
The reason they continue to do this and they put so much pressure on the producers to make people behave so badly is because of that. We have a channel right now that is capitalizing on black poverty, on black depravity, and it's doing exceptionally well. Mocha Love, like you know how Geeknet was founded on Bure Love. Bure Love for Bure Love, basically. Yeah. Mocha Love is the opposite. It's like a literal hatred of.
The show was launched back in February 14, 2018, which grew rapidly, capturing the hearts of many South African people with the shows like Uyajola 99, Riyadh Sotela, and many more. For many South Africans, Mocha Love is their number one go-to channel on DSTV. If you watch Mocha Love, there's something that you notice in these shows, and that is violence. A great example is the show Isingane Lengane.
Wavele wangena impama ngisathi ngisazokhipha ukudla. Ngisho ingane isikhala uyangishaya.
Umntwana isikhatsilwa ngithathile ngawumbeka ebhedeni.
Ukube lokho umfana uzongena uzongibulala ngabe ngifile.
This made many people frustrated. Even after the backlash, they still continue with the show.
South Africans were shocked recently when news broke that Isengane Lengane is not only continuing, but even getting a spin-off.
And by the look of it, the channel is still capitalizing on violent shows.
Platforms like Mocha Love are taking black trauma and masquerading it as entertainment. And guess what? Black people, we are eating it up.
They're even being accused of scamming people, stealing other people's content ideas.
So ama-show lanka esikhuluma ngawo sithi ayi-16 awekho i-16, like almost wonke ama-show we-Mocha Love atshontshiwe. Number 1, Iguraf. The original name of Iguraf, it was iBlack Text. It was submitted by Uruzani, who is going to join us. Bayithatha bayithengisela i-Showmax. Kwalandela Amanyala, which is umanyonyoba eyakamangaliso. Nayo self bayitshontshile danki futhi ungenile. Nayo bayitshontshile ishow yakhe umangaliso, which is Amanyala. Imamezala, Ifake Gobela, Ikhuzeka, You Promise to Marry Me, Culture Swap, umakhelwane, Coming Out, Asin, Giant of the City, Bugiti, Ekhaya, Babgeld, Ibuyele Ekhaya. Wonke lawo mashow lawo atshontshiwe, and we are crying.
Kuthiwa umakhelwane coming up season 1, we resolve for fights and conflicts between neighbors to bring harmony into the community. We are helping resolving community fights. This is my concept. This is my concept.
Sure.
Personally speaking, I think that anybody can come up with these shows because we live in the township. We see that many neighbors do not get along very well because, as I can see here on YouTube, many people can do the similar content. But I don't know. But is it Mocha Love's fault for people watching it? No. Everybody has a right to watch what they want. They are not being forced to watch Mocha Love. I don't spread anything. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.